Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If you struggle with reciting Quran, try this. First, recite what you know. The reward of recitation is not restricted to the recitation of the entire Quran. Rather, you get rewarded for every letter that you recite. So recite what you know how to recite, even if it may be little. Increase your rewards by reciting those portions repeatedly. Second, listen and then recite. If you need a little help to make sure that you can recite correctly, then use an app like Quranly, in which you can play each verse separately and also take support from the transliteration. If you're still not confident, then just listen attentively while looking at the Arabic text. Listening to the Quran attentively is also an act of worship. Third, give sadaqah. Yes, the Salaf would say that when you see someone doing a good deed, know that that good deed has its sisters. So doing a good deed actually helps us do another good deed. So do what is easy for you and receive Allah's help in doing what is challenging for you.